Today we're unboxing a pair of Gerne SG-12s. A lot of you know that the SG-22s recently came out. Why didn't you get the SG-22s, you say? Couple of reasons. One is that these ones came with a free pair of socks. They were cheaper. They didn't have the 22s in my size. And I think the SG-12, after watching reviews between the SG-12 and the SG-22, there was less of a difference than the price would have sort of implied. Limited edition. Fucking beautiful. Second ride on the Gurneys felt amazing. Had absolute control over the bike. Hit a huge jump. Landed as hard as I've ever landed. I have a collapsed lung. Ankles are unscathed. Look at those.
Moving.
What a good boot.